Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We have important news coming out at 9:45 a.m. So let's try our best not to hold anything during that time because almost 100%, if they paint a bullish picture and that news comes out, basically anything that happens, the opposite can happen once the news comes out. We've got cognizant of that. The bonds, the dollar, there is a lot of things happening this week. So if there's ever going to be a week where you basically just take it easy, actually don't trade, it would probably be this week. So with that being said, let's see what plays we can make. I want to see if it makes sense to try to, because Baba and these Chinese stocks are down. So this is maybe an opportunity to start get something for like a year out. NASDAQ new low, IWM new low, SPY's holding close. Wow, big sell off. Big sell off so far. Low of day hold. Wow, that very. So the issue with oh, hold on. Damn, the IVs are very high. Yeah, should have went long. It wasn't safe. I didn't feel like going long. It is what it is. Okay, Yep, that one handle is very crazy. Was not expecting that. Or else would have went long. This is repeat. This is repeat price action of Friday. This is very, very strong. It really doesn't make much sense why this happened. So interesting. But I mean, it makes sense why it happened, but it wasn't safe. Hmm. Flash service PMI data comes out at 9:45 a.m. 3 minutes away. So generally, intraday, there isn't many fake outs that happen. So if we get a very bearish candle close on that 1 minute, then we should expect more follow through downside. So what I'm gonna want to do is specifically this week, you guys have to understand that it is not going to be a very, very safe trading environment. The IV on the contracts are very high at the moment. There's a lot of macroeconomic news coming out. This is a week where people lose a lot of money. So not lose a lot of money, not over leverage yourself with any of these trades. Be very careful. If you're new to the stream, be like, oh wow, he's a great trader. I'm gonna full port. Don't do that because no guarantees, especially with choppy price action that gonna take at the money SPY calls. 379 calls at the money with a 376.85 stop loss. 376.85 stop. Let's see a break and close above 378.53. Contracts are already up pretty healthy, so make sure you guys are taking profits. Don't let this go red now. So essentially, we could end up breaking below 376.85, but lots of bullishness here. We just closed above 5-day as well. You could go long, completely new trade with a stop loss at 377.27. But yeah, this was a quick scalp. Just make sure that it doesn't go red. But yeah, I'd be surprised if we fall back down. Usually when this happens, we just continue going higher. Contracts are up very healthy. So just make sure, unless this was a repeat of Friday, make sure you guys are taking profits. Yeah. So what they're most likely going to do now is have a red candle and then rip it up to a new high. But again, IV dropped as well, which is good. IV is at 46%. It dropped from 52%. So that is good for us. Let's see. Hold this support that we were basically holding, that we were basically creating at 377.60. The NASDAQ, the IWM, everything's at a bull flag, sitting at support. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can re-enter. We roll long again here. Because like SPY calls 377.50 stop. Shooters, shoot. We have to take this trade, unfortunately. Contracts up $20. Cool. Take some profits. Take some profits. Don't let this go back red. This was a quick scalp. Do not let this go back red. We caught a nice little retracement move. Contracts are healthy. Very nice. We'll break back above 3. Yeah, the NASDAQ and the IWM are just showing a lot of weakness. So it's once they can kick their butt in gear. Oh, yeah, yeah. Good. This should, yeah. Everyone should have. Contracts are moving very, very quick. Very nice. Good. Take profits. Don't let it. We're not getting the strong follow through to the upside. So for today, as you can see, like the contracts shoot up in value very, very quickly. You have to be quick to take profits as well. But this last trade, we shot up 20% in these 2 minutes. But the move to the upside was not sustainable. See if we go long again. Things are still holding support. SPY calls 376.50 stop. Unfortunately, we have to take it again. This is a see profit, take profit sort of day. Don't expect huge moves. And at the moment, these are, I mean, this is a profitable trade anyway. You can see that we're chopping around here. But it is a good sign that the NASDAQ and the IWM both kicked in gear. The IWM and the NASDAQ are both they're about to have 2 closes above VWAP, which is also a very bullish sign. And as you can see, another like 2-minute trade, these contracts are up very, very healthy. Healthy. Take profits, see profits for the day. Don't let this go back red. I mean, very nice. Very, very nice. Now is not the time to go long. Now is not the time to go long. We got long at a very, very optimal position closer to support. So now we just let this ride up. Contracts up very, very nicely. So make sure you guys take some more profits. Leave runners. We're good. Nice. Everyone should be profitable on this trade. Everyone should have been profitable on the other trade. And the other trade before when the PMI data came out. There was enough time to be up at least 20%. Definitely. It's difficult to go long here. So just make sure you guys are taking profit. I would. So obviously we're long. I'm not holding on to a huge position. So if we break above high of day, the odds of that happening is not very high. But if they do, I don't mind. But everyone should have been up at least $30, $40 on these contracts. So we'll see. Be careful about shorting. It's not. We clearly see a lot of buying pressure. The IV is also very high. So be careful. Just if you're shorting, just have tight stop losses. Either way today, just be very, very careful. Can't stress that. We caught some good moves, but premiums can IWM new high of day. Careful. I said, be careful about going long. I thought. So pragmatically, what we see is we're in an uptrend. The IWM just made new highs of day. They're making us go long again right now with a 377 stop. Yeah, just as I say that, they pushed it up. But yeah, just relax. Good money. Everyone made money today, right? Can you guys put some ones in the chat if you guys made money today? Like, it's almost you have to. I need to see a lot of ones. If you guys made money, please. $700. Bang bang, make 380. Easy money, man. Easy. I was over here stressed out, like, oh my god, I hope you guys made money. All these ones. Happy to, yeah. $10 a.m. Made a bunch of nice plays here. Wine box, I made money, but Webull not having market orders is really messing up my exit. All right, so do not try to day trade on Robinhood or Webull. There's no market orders, so you need to day trade on brokerage that has market orders, and make sure that you have a cash account. You don't need 25K to have. So basically, if you have a cash account and you have $5,000 in your account, you can make 10 $500 day trades every single day with a cash account. Normally on a margin account, that's what everyone has by default. You can only make 3 day trades per 5 days. It's all bullcrap. They just want to make money off of your margin. Basically, make money off of your. You think about 5%. That's very, very difficult because this week, um, we have tech earnings and everything as well. I'm not entirely sure about what. Yeah, there's no market orders on these brokerages, so you can't day trade. You have to try to limit order, and it's not safe. Uh-oh. Might have. Either this long works or we get a big flush to the downside. Have to go long, but I don't feel. Mm, it's beautiful opportunity for them to rip it down, but then it's also opportunity. But I don't feel comfortable. Thank you, thank you for falling. Should have went long 274. I want it to come to 274. That's basically what I would rather go long. But if they try to pop it up from here, don't try to pop it. Look, we are going to open up a McDonald's in your building. So bring it back down to around 374.50, then let it pop. Okay? All right, so we're here now. Good. Very nice. This is going to be a risky trade. So if you already made a lot of money and everything today, this is the most risky trade for the day. So do not take this, okay? Please. I don't want to hear anything. This, if you guys already made money for today, just watch. I'm going to take 375. Buy calls with 374.50 stop. $374.50 stop. If they don't allow this to bounce here, then that's gonna be very weak. But give us 376. Contracts are moving too well. Let's freaking get it, man. Take some profits, leave runners. Yo, this is amazing, man. I am very happy. All right, now just don't let this go red. And so far, so good. This is holding 375, but I don't really care. Yeah. You could let runners ride to remain above 374.50. But this wasn't the most bullish move to the upside, so careful. Also risky to go short here because it would be aggressive to go short. But you can see that the moves are not beautiful with a lot of follow through. This 374.50 level is still holding us. So like I was saying, the contracts were starting to move very, very well. And on Friday, the contracts were moving really well. That's how we got that 200% play. But generally, that's not supposed to happen. So okay. Now let's see if 370.80. That was that was a good bull trap. We got in still profitably. We got in around beginning of that candle, but then imagine everyone that entered at 10:07 a.m. They got ripped to the downside. Yeah, the contracts are moving really quick today. But yeah, I'm glad that we're getting in at good points. And we're able to sell good points as well. Great. Fall down to very, very risky to go long here. But get 374. 30 touch. 373.80. 373.80. Come back down. Relax. Relax, SPY. It's not the time to bounce yet. Come back down. Come back down, brother. Damn. Took my $500 account to 1,900. Took my $200 account currently at 7. That's awesome. Congratulations. Great. Missed that longing opportunity. Celebrated too early. No, we made money on that. So if you didn't execute quick enough, then I would understand why you got upset. But we made money on that play. Is there anyone talking crazy in the Twitch or YouTube stream chat or anything? Please let me know. Damn. 74. I got greedy. I wanted 373.89. 373.80. Oh well. Oh well. Got greedy on that one. I wanted to wait for a better. Wanted to wait for another 15 cents. We're trading the 0 DTE contract. You ever play earnings? No. Albert, comment. Your standards are very high to getting in at the beginning of a play. When did you develop rule? Well, I lost a lot of money. And then basically it just realized that I try to enter and exit alongside smart money, and smart money enters at stop loss, basically. But yeah, I mean, just got to put in the reps to understand all of this stuff. But at the end of the day, like, anyone is capable of doing it. I'm nothing special. I'm sure there are like half of the chat here are much smarter than I am. Matter of um putting your intellect towards developing a new skill. This is just a new skill. Ricky, yeah, just be careful. Um, SPX calls 3800. I don't know. The risky trade. We already made good money. We didn't get chopped out. Now, what everyone needs to understand is you need to optimize for order execution speed. So obviously now you guys have experience. It doesn't work on Robinhood or Webull because there's no market orders. So if you want to day trade, order execution speed is one of the most important things to optimize for. Just imagine if we just skyrocketed up from here. Look at the chart and try to understand that if we did skyrocket from here, it would not be normal for us to do that, right? The past 20 minutes have been very, very bearish price action. And this little small run up that we had from 10:09 to 10:14 a.m., very, very small green candles. And then all of that move was brought down in 2 red candles. So just try to understand now that if they rip it up, it's like very, very weird if they were to do that. So most likely going to end up happening is either we're going to make a new low or we're going to stagnate here for a little bit. But I'm not interested. I'm not interested in trading this right now. The odds of us popping up higher is low. But even if it does happen, it's not something that we don't like taking low probability trades. The IV is also high. So it is what it is. If we go up higher from here, it's life. I will be right back. Yeah, made a new low. All right, so now these are the opportunities where it's more comfortable. Let's see. I'm gonna go long. SPY calls 373 stop. 373 stop loss. We're at the lower end of this falling wedge. I'd be surprised if we fall lower. And then this is going to most likely be my last trade of the day. And yeah, 373 stop. Contract garbage. But we did have a pop, but contracts crash. Whatever, it's a good trade. If it works, it works. All right, take profits. We're at the upper. I just want to see a break and close above 374, but damn, so weak. Yeah. We need a big pop within this minute, and we basically just need to hold above 373.40. This isn't bullish. This is not a good sign. We need a strong pop to the upside very soon, within this minute or the next minute. And we're not getting that. So make sure you guys lower your position sizes, take profits, and all that good stuff. This is setting up for a breakdown. We're literally at the upper level of this falling wedge, and we just don't want to break above it. We get a break above it, we can see 370, 450, but it's just riding down. Good. 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 This is what we want to see. Make sure you guys are taking profits. Yeah, another solid trade. I'm not sure how much more follow through we're gonna get to the upside, but we got in at the perfect time. Green for everybody as well. high quality trade. Now, if we can close again above 373.80, we can get a retest of 374.50. High quality trade contracts. There's profit. So everyone should have made a lot of money, right? So can you guys flood the chat with as many ones as possible if you guys made money? Make sure you guys just don't let this go red. This was a nice scalp to the upside. We're not seeing a lot of follow through, unfortunately, but we got it right at 10:24 a.m. Nice move to the upside. It's literally like the market is moving very, very nicely for these like smaller moves, but there's not a lot of follow through. Sean, why are you so worried about others making money? Because I don't like. I want people to live a happy life. This is my way of doing that. I don't want people to have to worry about being stressed out about money. If I'm capable of teaching people and doing this stuff, and like this is what actually makes me happy. I need to be doing any of this, but it makes me happy because, especially as a man, men, one of the main insecurities that men have is making money or financial burdens, financial problems. So if you're stressed out about money, you come home, treat your wife and your kids and everything like crap. I'm not saying anyone does that, right? But just in general, right? If you're stressed out about like work and money, oh my God, I got bills to pay. Like, not everyone can deal with that stress, health in a healthy way. So these contracts are big. So not everyone can deal with that stress. So if I'm capable of helping people make money, right, whether they're men or women, what ends up happening is I'm helping people live a happier life. Indirectly, they treat their families nicer. Indirectly, their kids don't grow up with a lot of trauma, getting beat by their parents, and then like things like that. So it's like a lot more than just like making people money. Like I want people to live like a happy life. So this is my way of doing that. And at the end of the day, the proof is in the pudding. I'm nothing special. I'm telling you guys, I'm nothing special. You guys can do all of this as well. It's very, very easy. Anyone is capable of doing this. So hopefully in the next few months, maybe a year of you guys watching me and everything, you guys won't even need to watch anymore. You guys could, at that point, you guys could be on like beaches. I could be on a beach every single day. I could freaking be on a beach trading 10 minutes, make a few $1,000s and go. Like, but that doesn't make me happy. Money's never made me happy. Like I never really cared about it. So yeah, essentially that's why I do what I do. It's not about money for me. It's about money for other people. But I want people to live happier lives. And at the end of the day, like, guaranteed, if, like, for example, if you look at these people in like other countries, you're like, wow, a lot of these people are like geniuses, but they just don't have the resources to execute, or they don't have they have to walk miles to get the fourth grade. So it's like, if we create a community basically where there's a lot of good-hearted people with money, then the world inevitably will just become a much better place. If I'm helping someone that lives like Indianapolis, for example, make money, that person is going to treat everyone around him or her with love and respect, not worry, like not have that financial burden. And that's the least I can do, right? They won't have that financial burden. And then boom, they have enough money. They could share this with their friends. All of their friends together, they make money together and they pool their money together. Boom, the soup kitchen that just opened up, or like boom, like the neighborhood in California, just, you know. So that's what I worried about. Damn, we caught the bottom by the exact minute. Very nice. Very nice. I can't see the chat. Yeah, honestly, like that's why I get offended. So let me tell you guys a little bit about me. So I grew up playing like competitive sports. So like talking crap has always been something like innately something that like I do, and it's nothing personal because sports, that's what you do, talk crap. But then specifically with this, I take it a little bit more personal because I'm literally not charging anyone, right? Like I genuinely, like, from the bottom of my heart, I actually want to help. So then when I see people talking crap, like it flips a switch. And especially while I trade, I am the most like focused. So you can see right now, like it's not easy. It's not easy for me to be calm like this. Like, it's something that I had to develop because for years I did not even want someone in the same room as me. I couldn't even speak properly while I was trading because yeah, but yeah, so now I take it a bit more personally when people, whatever, talk crap, but I just have to realize that this industry, there's a lot of very evil behavior. So it makes sense. You see a person like doing something for free, obviously people are going to be skeptical. But yeah, it is what it is. You guys understand. But yeah, I mean, I can't talk crap to people. It's just not normal. But yeah, honestly, this is completely new. I don't have a blueprint for this. There's no blueprint for this. Like, I'm the only person that live streams and does all this stuff completely for free. First person in history. Sounds weird, right? But at the end of the day, that's currently what's going on. So hopefully, I mean, I think I'm doing a good job. but I could be doing much better. And I have to be cognizant, patient that do talk crap. But yeah, I know for a fact people are learning a lot, and I know for a fact there's so much more good that I'm doing. I can't expect everyone to show and reciprocate that same love that I give them. So it is what it is. Hopefully, we end up doing that, because at the end of the day, it's bigger than your religion. It's bigger than your country, your ethnicity, all that stuff. It doesn't really matter, because in 500 years, like, the whole point of all of this is human race has to evolve. What got us through, like, different, technological ages, we needed to evolve to be able to develop into the next age. Yo, the market just keeps. But yeah, essentially, if I can help X amount of people not have to worry about money, then that X amount of people is going to affect way more people in a positive way. And then all of those people that are affected in a positive way can help bring value to the human race for the future. To be honest, that's how I think. And at the end of the day, like, I don't want people to have to deal with stress and pain when I can actually, like, give a tangible help for that. $199 from Kevin. Yeah, guys, please don't send me any donations. Please don't send me any money. I don't want anything. Please, please do not send me. Don't send me crap, please. Please, 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 don't send me any money. No way, bro. Please, thank you so much. I don't. Please, don't send me. Damn. Please, guys, do not send me anything. Like, I don't know how to send it back. But yeah, man. At the end of the day, we're all human. We're all trying to become better people. But yeah, I mean, not send $400. Jeez, I would, I would send it back. But yeah, guys, gonna call it a stream. This last trade ended up going up at least 50%. At least everyone should have made at least, like, a lot of money. We caught the bottom at 10:24 a.m. There were so many different opportunities where people probably did take profits as we started stagnating at 375.40, etc. But now is not the time to go long. We can fall back down to 374.60. But yeah, Yeah, I'm gonna respond to all the messages soon. But please be patient. I get a lot of messages. Try my best to respond to everybody. But yeah, I'm gonna post in the daily recap. So if you guys made money, like when I post on the daily recap, make sure to drop some emojis there. But yeah, I'm almost positive everyone had to have made a crap ton of money. We didn't get into any losing trades today. So yeah, I love you guys. Here, have an amazing day. Love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, Yellen speaks. 1 second. Yeah, that was another reason. Yellen speaks at 11. So be careful about that. Treasury Secretary Yellen. So yeah, be careful about that. Other than that, hope you guys have an amazing day. How did you practice trading profit? Have to put in the reps. Yeah, this is the L day for Forex. It is what it is. Back stronger than next.